From Greenstar Engineering, we are preparing this house today. As you see, this house is very large from the family and it is built on smaller land. As you see, it is the idea from the beginning. You see the designs, the program, and everything. You see this window is very smart according to this place, but also this window is not cost high money. As you see, we are keep going here. We are using a simple design. This is was like a crib, but this simple design of us was about to board where some kids can play around here, and it is very cheap. As you see, we try to build a strong stairs, but also with a cheap cost. We are using a bricks which made in clay, and also with stones. And this stones is the one which is remaining from what we call fondation here. And we are going inside again. Inside, as our roof, we are building with a roof with walls, and you see the design of our roof is idea from Greenstar Engineering. This roof is cheap, but also with high design. This design, as you see here, this part is remaining here, and you have another one here. This meter can do also a design. You see here. This design is very cheap, but so some guys spend much money because they didn't come in Greenstar Engineering. And you see here again, about this roof is very small, and it can cost you few money, and it have a good design at the top. This roof can cost you like 500,000 Rwandan francs. Some others are spending like 2 million on the roof. But also we can advise you how you can prepare a good roof with a cheap cost. And also, as you see here, we are using a metal door. Some people are using a wood door, but to make a security, and otherwise we can make this house is becoming what we call
expensive.
From the building, because we are using metal doors inside and outside. As you see, this metal door is giving a house a good value. As you see, another example, it is cheap and it gives a good value to the house. Come here. You see the difference of this. There is a difference between the wall, external wall and internal wall. This internal wall, we are using a brick mold brick. Yes. And here, which is different from here. This is a bathroom. We are using a brick from clay. These clay bricks are very expensive, but here it make house very cheap to build, because we are using this cheapest brick
in the easy construction.
Yeah. And for more information, you can call Greenstar Engineering so that we can give you an idea how you can build your house on cheapest cost, as you see. And also here we have this house. This chamber is having a bathroom and a living room, as you see, on cheap costs, because we are using cheap materials to build this house. Thank you, and you can subscribe to our channel, Greenstar Engineering 33. We are giving you a lot of ideas. We are giving you a lot of plans. How can you build your house? How can you make up your house clearly? Thank you.